So we're almost at the end. We've almost made it. So to keep the kind of glowing, dewy look going that we started with this face, I'm gonna actually go in with a different setting spray, which I don't use on such a regular basis, but it's great for like special occasions. This is the Cover FX Illuminizing setting spray. I don't know if you can see. It's so bright. Okay, there we go. Now this guy is really good. You gotta like shake it up. It has one of these like, do you hear that? It's like a spray can. It's got one of those little balls because it actually has like little pieces of like tiny micro glitter. So you gotta make sure you shake it. And then the thing well, maybe one of the reasons I don't use this, it has such a difficult like mister. It comes out so fine, but maybe it's only supposed to come out like that. It's not like the other setting sprays that I have, but oh. Oh, that has a smell. Okay, just dry that in. Oh, you can really see the highlighter popping. And then this adds just a little, it's supposed to be a setting spray to help, a setting spray is supposed to let make your makeup last all day long and really extend the wear time of your makeup. But this one adds these little like glowy particles. So if we weren't, let's put one more. If we weren't shimmery enough, we've just like taken it up a notch. We'll see how this one actually works. When you look at the ingredients on this guy, the very first ingredient is actually water. So it's not, it has alcohol in it, but it's like a little bit farther down the list. The higher the alcohol content, the longer your makeup is actually going to last. It has a little, but the first thing is really water. So this guy is going to make your makeup look dewy and fresh and refreshed. It's going to look fresh when you put it on and refreshed if you use it later. And then also like the Illuminizing. But I love the Illuminizing spray. Puts a really pretty finish on the skin. My skin is looking way more dewy than I think I've ever looked intentionally to begin with. Maybe this is how I look after getting off like a 15-hour flight and my makeup's been on my face for like 28 hours, but it's actually looking really great. I love it. So, well, we'll see how it wears. We'll see you later.